Check it out, check it out, check it out. A lucky day. A lucky day. Today we have part 3 restock. We have few items that's very rare. It's new. It's SG, it's huge, and it's insanely big. And we have one item that is not Gundam, but I'm just gonna show you guys later. But before that, I'm just gonna share with you guys what we have here first. Here, later. A weapon set from IBO 005. Hugo. IBO Gundam Gushian. This fat fella has been like no stock for almost half year. Curious. This is boy's favorite. Curious. Noel Gundam. Gundam Astray Blue Frame L. Yes, the Gundam, the one of the. I think this is the only Gundam that have a nipple. Full City Gushian Remake. This is one of the most unique design in Gundam 00 series. Harute. This is one of my favorite in history. Polarizer. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys the rare item. Gundam Astria H2 Double Bullet Aegis. Well, this kit is I think released on 2011, which is a lot of detailing is not as appealing as we thought. So a lot of parts that you might require to have to like repaint and do masking, and it's not really well designed detail it comes. I hope they remaster this the sticker, the decal. It's quite good, it's quite a lot. We have Gundam Dynamite, Charadium. This is Charadium. High Gok. This kit, even though it look not as sexy as we thought, but for those customizer, modeler, and who love like weird shape, this is very good design. When you look at the box here, I prefer this one. This one is a Z-God Experiment. I love the color. I love the gray color with the arm, and yeah. Stuff. Yes, in real great. My favorite other than the Z-God, Severance is one of my top 5 favorites. Quampa. When I mentioned just now top 5, Justice Gundam is my I think top 5, 4th place favorite. And for the real grade, we have Astray Red Frame. Now we're gonna go for Master Grade. Design Gunpla in the years of 2013. Thunderbolt Full Armor. This is one heavy. This is also a special edition. Come with a special edition sticker. You see this sticker right here? Come get it. Really come get it. Win 0. And then we have this. Yes. My favorite in seat. The surprise. The mystery. The long await kits. The best one I'm gonna save for the last. One of the oldest kits, but yet the design is insanely crazy. Dom Trapen. Released in 2002. I mean, for old kits, for old design for Universe Century, this Dom version is massive. The design, everything is well neat. Weapon, the backpack, the front, the leg. My god, it stands sexy. Ready? Ta-da! Zedra. The color is striking. The design is simple, yet the series still stuck. Yes, yes, yes. 2017 latest release. Gun cannon mobility test type, firepower test type. I mentioned in previous stock release, stock highlight on January. I love the firepower test. I think. Actually, I love both. You have a conversion, alright, you can convert in either one, whichever that you prefer. If you want to collect both, sorry guys, you have to buy two. Next one, yes, 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 yes. The samurai feel, Shin Musha Gundam. Since last year, we have been trying to order this. Finally, it's here. Fans of UC, Unicorn, Gundam series, this is what you guys have been craving for almost years. Satria Xeon, new Xeon prototype mobile suit, new type. It's huge, that's one thing. The second of all is rare, and third of all, you have a lot of customization possibility. Bandai, I'm looking forward you please release a master grade or 1/100 scale. Anything will be fine. Look at it. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Next. The next one. It's not Gunpla, I mentioned. It's a model kit that I'm actually surprised they actually have this. It's not a Bandai brand. It's obviously not bootleg. Ready? Gypsy Danger from Climax. This is the highlight for January, to be honest, because I was surprised she come out a model kit for Gypsy Danger from Pacific Rim. If you're excited, please share this video and tell your friend about this fella. Gypsy Danger Mark III Jaeger. Isn't that so satisfying? The box is huge and it's quite heavy. Gimmick action pose. Okay. For those who want to know more information, we're gonna update into our website, in our blog. Check out our website, GundamToyShop.com. Subscribe, like our fan page. That's it, guys, for our live video.